Alright, we've got a Crate Vintage Club 20 watt all-tube amp from Crate USA, St. Louis, Missouri. Really nice small size combo amp that you could use in a gig situation. It's loud enough to do it for small gigs. Pretty simple, single channel with gain, treble, mid, a mid boost, which is not on right now, bass, and a level overall volume. It does have headphone and external speaker out, which could be useful. Definitely if you plug this into a 4x12 cabinet, you can keep up with the drummer. We're plugged into a Diaz reverb unit just for some reverb through the front. Just going to play a couple things. 74 Les Paul Custom stock pickups, and start with some lower gain and then just turn up the volume of the guitar. No change in the amp at all.